Alright, so today we are going to do some more reasoning using benchmarks, and we're going to be comparing two fractions on a number line. But today we're going to add a couple of different things. We're going to add the use of a number bond, and we are also going to use fractions greater than one whole. That's where that reasoning comes in. So the first two fractions that we will compare are 7/8 and 6/4. Now go ahead and look at these, see what you notice, see what you come up with some ideas, some theories. What do you notice when you see 7/8 and 6/4? When I look at them, I see that 7/8 is less than one whole, and I see that 6/4 is greater than one whole. So right there, that tells me which one is the greater fraction. I found out greater than one whole. I guess I figured you were all on the same page with me. How I did that was the numerator was larger than the denominator. So that means that it is a fraction that's greater than one whole. Now by using a number bond, and just a refresher, we did this a long time ago. If I had something like 4/8. 4/8 would be 2/8 plus 2/8. Today we're going to use that number bond with 7/8 and 6/4. Now 7/8, I'm going to use my knowledge of a benchmark fraction. When I look at 7/8, how many eighths equals 1/2? 4/8, and what's left now is 3/8. And when I look at a fraction greater than one whole, and I need to partition it into a number bond, I am going to first partition this into one whole. How many fourths equals one whole? 4/4. Now, how many is left over? 2/4. Now what I've done here is I've shown that 4/4 is one whole. And then I had some leftover, so 6/4 is one entire piece plus how many leftovers? 2/4. So this right here in the fraction game is what we call a mixed number, which just means that I have a whole number and then I have some leftover fractions. So I had one whole piece with, right here, 4/4, and then I still had some leftovers. I still had 2/4 left over. Now our use of the number line. Today we're going to start with 0. And instead of our number line being 1/2 and 1, number lines can be anything you want them to be, and we already know that one of our fractions is going to be greater than one whole. So this is going to be 1, and our number line will end with 2. So first let's find this 7/8. 8 being an even number, I know that I can start with partitioning my number line in half. And how? So I have two pieces right here. 2 times what equals 8? 2 times 4. So I can partition each half in fourths. Excellent. I have eighths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to mark out my half, and then I'll begin. Where's 7 eighths? 1 eighth, 2 eighths, 3 eighths, 4 eighths, 5 eighths, 6 eighths, 7 eighths, right there. That is 7 eighths. Now, for this next one, I need to partition my number line into fourths. So if I look at my number line, I have half right there, which the equivalent fraction is 2 fourths. If I were to partition this, I'd have 1/4 right there, 2 fourths, and 3 fourths. And I keep going. 1 is 4 fourths. Now for this whole right here, I need to partition it into fourths. Go ahead and partition it in half, and then in fourths. So I have 1/4 right here, 2 fourths, or 1/2 right there, and 3 fourths right here, and another 4 fourths. Now, if we were continuing on with our improper fractions, you would count off 1/4, 2 fourths, 3 fourths, 4 fourths, 5 fourths, 6 fourths, 7 fourths, 8 fourths. However, when you get a candy bar from the store, you buy one candy bar, it would be partitioned into fourths. You go buy a second candy bar, and it is also partitioned into fourths. So if they open candy bars in the store and they start selling them, your best friend Jimmy gets there. He doesn't have 1/4, 2 fourths, 3 fourths, 4 fourths, and then you buy a second candy bar, and you don't have fourths. You have 5 fourths, 6 fourths, 7 fourths, 8 fourths. You just get 1/4 chunks. Same thing here. This is still 1/4, 2 fourths, 3 fourths, 4 fourths, because today we're going to be looking at them as improper, or as mixed numbers, not improper fractions. So if we go back up to our number bond, we see that 6 fourths is 4 fourths, or 1 whole, plus another 2 fourths. So we go to 1 whole, go plus another 2 fourths, we have it right there, 6 fourths. So we can see that 7 eighths is less than 6 fourths, and we can see that by not only on the number line, but when we reasoned with our what we know about fractions, is 7 eighths is less than 1 whole, and 6 fourths is greater than 1 whole.